Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G32, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings, scroll all the way down to System, select Reset Options, and then Erase All Data Factory Reset. Now if you have any kind of data on your device that you don't want to get rid of, for instance music, photos, or some kind of documents, any kind of user data, then make a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise this will be completely removed and cannot be undone, so the data will be lost. Now assuming you have already done so, or you simply don't want to, you can then select Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you'll need to confirm it right here. And then select Erase All Data once again, which will now begin factory resetting your phone. This process will take a couple minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.